What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Fiat Abarth remote key fob. So this key fob here, as you can see, has the Abarth logo on it. If yours has the Fiat logo on it, it will be the same procedure. And this key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2025. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip it over, and on the back you see this little release right here. Press that button down and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we come in here and we take a look at this space that key just slid out of, what I'm going to do is carefully kind of pry up on this corner, and you just want to do it pretty gently because this is fairly fragile. But you can see that space right here. I'm going to come in here and just pry up, and just to get it started like that. And once I get it started, then I'm going to take my screwdriver and just carefully run it down that crack like that. And then once it's far enough apart, you can pull it the rest of the way off with your hands. And we see this little battery cover right here. Just pull that off with your fingers, and now we see our actual battery. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of it, get it out of that little holder. Then I'm going to grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you install your new battery with the plus side up. Once you have it down in that holder, go ahead and snap that little cover back on, and then we can snap the back cover on. Make sure that's all the way snapped on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.